Mixtures. The next time you are at the beach, pick up a handful of sand. Look at it closely. You will see that each grain of sand is really a tiny rock. Not only that, but the grains are different colors, and some of the grains are not rocks at all. They are little pieces of seashell. Sand is a mixture. A mixture is two or more materials put together or combined. This sand mixture of black, white, tan, and gray rocks and bits of shell. A handful of sand is a mixture of several different things. Mixtures are everywhere, but if you are not looking for them, you could miss them. The sidewalk is a mixture you can walk on. It is several sizes of rocks mixed with cement. A bowl of mixed nuts is a mixture you can eat. So are fruit salad, vegetable soup, and carrot and raisin salad. And if you ate some mixed nuts, vegetable soup, and salad, just think about the mixture in your stomach. A ball stays the same size and shape in any container. Mixtures like sand and mixed nuts are made when two or more solid materials are combined. Solid is one of three common states of matter. Solid objects have mass, take up space, and have a definite shape and volume. A ball, for instance, stays the same size and shape in your hand, on a tabletop, or in a cup. Chocolate syrup poured into milk is a mixture. Lemon juice and water is a mixture. So is oil and vinegar. These are examples of mixtures made of two liquid materials. Liquid is the second common state of matter. Liquids have mass, take up space, and have a definite volume. But liquids do not have a definite shape. A volume of water can have a different shape depending on whether it is in your hand, on a tabletop, or in a cup. Liquids take the shape of the container they are in. Your breath is a mixture. The exhaust coming out of a car is a mixture. The air that surrounds Earth is a mixture. These are examples of mixtures made of gaseous materials. Gas is the third common state of matter, but we can't always see gases. Most gases are colorless and transparent. Some gases, however, have color, like those that make smog. We can see air on a smoggy day. Gases have mass and take up space, but they do not have a definite volume or shape. A mass of air will not stay in your hand, on a tabletop, or in a cup. Gases are shapeless and expand to fill any closed container they are in. Solids and liquids are often mixed. Salt and pepper are mixed with oil and vinegar to add flavor to salad dressing. Flour and water are mixed to make bread. Cereal and milk are mixed for breakfast. Rice is mixed with water to cook it. Gases and liquids are mixed sometimes, but often the gas separates from the liquid as bubbles. That's what happens when you pour root beer into a glass. The carbon dioxide gas that was mixed with the liquid root beer forms bubbles. The bubbles rise to the surface and pop. Then the carbon dioxide in the bubbles mixes with the air. But for a while, the root beer is a lively mixture of liquid and gas. Mixtures of solid and gas aren't often made on purpose, but they happen all the time by accident. If you fill a glass with marbles, you have a mixture of marbles and air. The spaces between the marbles are filled with air. The same is true of any solid object in a container. When it snows, the air, gas, is mixed with frozen water, solid. Dust floating around in the air is also a mixture of solid and gas. Can you have a mixture of solid, liquid, and gas? Yes. Remember the glass of root beer? Just add a few ice cubes. The glass of ice-cold root beer is a mixture of solid, liquid, and gas. Mixing solids and liquids. Mixtures of solids and liquids are interesting. Several things can happen. When gravel and water are mixed, the gravel sinks to the bottom of the container. If you stir the mixture, Things move around, but that's about it. So we have mixing gravel and water, mixing powdered milk and water, mixing salt and water, gravel mixture after 5 minutes, powdered milk mixture after 5 minutes, and salt mixture after 5 minutes. When you mix powdered milk and water, the powder makes the mixture cloudy white. The mixture remains cloudy. When you mix salt and water, the salt disappears. The mixture is transparent and colorless. Gravel, powdered milk, and salt all make mixtures with water. After stirring, you can still see the gravel and milk, but the salt is gone. Salt is different in some way. A mixture of salt and water forms a solution. When solid salt and liquid water are mixed, the solid disappears into the liquid, and the mixture is transparent. This mixture is a solution. A solution is a kind of mixture. When a solid material disappears in a liquid, it is not gone, it has dissolved. When the solid material dissolves, it breaks into pieces so tiny that they are invisible. The solid material that dissolves is called the solute. The liquid in which the solute dissolved is called the solvent. Every solution is made of a solute dissolved in a solvent. Salt, solute, dissolves in water, solvent, to make a saltwater solution. The universal solvent. Water dissolves thousands of substances. For this reason, it is called the universal solvent. Countless substances are dissolved in the oceans. The fluids in living organisms such as blood and sap contain water with thousands of substances dissolved in the water. Look around. Does everything dissolve in water? Water's properties. Boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. Its freezing point is 0 degrees Celsius. And its density is 1 gram per milliliter.